For the entertainment update, fans of actor Dennis Trillo might feel sad as the agency announced that the TikTok account has been hacked. Details from Sam Martos.
Dennis Trillo is trending now online after his TikTok account was hacked. That was after his answer on netizens questioned why his wife Janelle Mercado was not in the new release station ID of GMA Network was spread on social media. The discussion did not end there as it was followed by a serious question from his fans which the actor quickly answered. Some netizens who read it did not like it. That's why it immediately went viral online. That's why Dennis' manager issued a statement and said that the actor does not respond to such comment. The actor is currently on the tape of Pulang Araw and has only limited access to his cell phone, so it is said to be impossible. An investigation into the incident is underway according to the manager. Meanwhile, Aguila Entertainment also released a statement saying that Dennis Trillo TikTok account was hacked around noontime yesterday, July 1, 2024. They are working to resolve the issue and prevent it from happening again. This is Sam Martos for your TV Showbiz News.